Gold has broken back below 1170. It's broken below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. It's hit the monthly pivot and support 1160. Any additional selling below that zone, if it does continue to find weakness, I would look at 1140 is the next major zone here that you want to have on your radar. That's been major going back on the chart to 2014. You can see 2015. The 1140 zone has significance, and that's also been previous resistance. So this has been supportive over 2015, support, resistance. That was a level that we broke out earlier on in February this year. So that will be the next major zone. If we continue to see gold sell off, I would be targeting the 1140 zone. You want to be a bit careful here because we are in we're getting to an extreme oversold condition on gold at the moment. We're seeing it is trying to find its footing. We've seen this on several occasions now where gold has tried to find its footing at 1200, tried to find its footing at 1170. At the moment, you tend to find this washout with gold or silver before they will bottom and turn around. Now, we've got non-farm payrolls tomorrow, which could be explosive. I am monitoring the US dollar, which has been overbought now for over a week. It is rolling over a little bit on the daily chart. We have some news items coming out this afternoon, which will probably cause some volatility for the US dollar. The big one will be non-farm payrolls. That is what everybody is watching right now. And again, if we go over to gold and silver, you can see we popped lower on gold now. If it closes back above 1170, this could just be a false break of support. If we close back within the 1170 zone, it could be it looks like it's starting to form a bottom, but we don't have any sort of confirmation. You've got a potential for a V-shaped reversal pattern, but again, it's just trying to find its footing, flushing out stop losses, reversing, getting bid back. We're not seeing big buy orders coming into gold at the moment. You're seeing these smaller moves towards the upside. You're seeing a little bit, or you can see here, we've had this over the last month. We've had 3 days where there has been a positive candle, but that hasn't just followed through. You've got overhead resistance here, a clear trend channel, which gold needs to break and close above first before it can break out of this current sell-off, which it's in at the moment. So sitting on the sidelines with gold and silver at the moment, waiting for the next position that might come from non-farm payrolls. Tomorrow, we'll see how this moves over the course of the US session today. Again, my preference, if I'm trading, looking for a move on gold and silver, which I am, my preference is to trade silver over gold at the moment.